Connor here from Tait Real Estate with your March monthly market wrap. 26 houses, 1 unit and 2 blocks of land sold throughout the month. On the supply side, we saw 47 houses hit the market, along with 2 units and 2 blocks of land, bringing the total number of properties for sale to 192. What's interesting here is that almost half of these homes have been on the market for less than 30 days, showing a strong flow of fresh listings coming through. The median house price now sits at $530,000, with properties taking around 42 days on average to sell, which highlights a fairly balanced market between buyers and sellers. Looking at the rental market, 24 houses are listed for rent, with 10 already leased, while 10 units were listed and 8 leased. The average rent for a 3-bedroom home is sitting at $477 per week, and around $385 per week for a 2-bedroom unit, delivering on average a yield of approximately 4%. In broader news, there's been some significant changes and proposals across Victoria. From March 31st, new rental reforms have come into effect, including ban on third-party fees and a standardised rental application and stricter rules around rent increases, adding further regulation to the rental market. There's also a proposed change that would require vendors to provide building and pest inspections up front before listing, aimed at improving buyer transparency. And nationally, the RBA has flagged inflation could push towards 5% by June, with global pressures continuing to impact those rates. Overall, we're seeing a good level of stock, steady buyer demand, and the market remains price sensitive, particularly depending on how properties are positioned. If you think you're making a move or simply want to understand where your property sits in today's market, feel free to reach out.